Okay, guys, I am here by myself trying this out for the first time. Um, well, shrimp in my air fryer for the first time, but also using my tripod as well because I usually have someone filming for me. But anyway, I have some shrimp in a bowl. Yes, they have been cleaned. My hands are clean. And I'm going to make a quick shrimp salad for Madison and I. So this is just some olive oil. And I'm just going to put a little olive oil on the shrimp. And I finally went to BJ's and got me a big thing of Obey. So I'm going to sprinkle some Obey on the shrimp. That's good. I'm going to sprinkle a little paprika. I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder. Some garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. And I picked this up at the grocery store tonight. This Creole seasoning is Tony. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit because someone told me not to sprinkle a lot. So I'm not. So let me go ahead and open this. And I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit. I guess that's good. So I always use my hands. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix these shrimp around. Okay, and that is what the shrimp looks like after I have seasoned them. So I'm going to leave that right there while I go wash my hands. So now I have my air fryer basket. It has been cleaned. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay my shrimp inside of the basket. I hope you all can see. Okay, now my shrimp are ready to go into my air fryer. Let's look at those shrimp again. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on 400. Was already on 400. And I'm going to do about 8 minutes, but I'm going to come back and check before 8 minutes because you know how shrimp can do. Okay, the timer has gone off on my air fryer. So let's take a look. Oh yes. They looking good. I love seafood. And that was 400 for about 8 minutes.